the review of animated Starscream. Now it's a nice jet. Very cool toy. Let's see actually a jet mode. Actually it's a nice very long nose things. I don't know what's that. Very cool toy. Here actually inside has something broken actually, so never mind. Very nice color with Skylark and Starstorm jet mode almost. The color is very nice. Red, actually red and blue and black things and orangey like that. You could see a button is black, very nice. Red and the cannon is red and blue. Very cool. See, very nice orangey color and the nose thing. See two bright Decepticon on each side, also on the bottom. Actually, you could see the legs and arms hiding there. Very cool. And just like black steps coming on. Very cool. Transformation is you're gonna pull the legs down like that, take the cannon, fold it around, take these wheels, fold it up like that. Just like the small Legends class Longhorn, you see his head there. This piece is always soft, like to pop out. Just no taps, just like that. So you're gonna hold it, fold it down, take these pieces, fold it up, and then snap this into place, just like that. Pull this and pull it down. The wings actually form as wings. Very cool. Here I have tabs and a hole, snap it in. Actually, it just push it down and push it up. Snap it back. Yeah. Like that, just like that. You're gonna pull this pieces and fold it up like that. Fold it around like that. Just like that. Actually lock into place. Fold these and fold it up. Fold the legs and open it around. The instruction said you're gonna do this, but actually fold wider, so that it's just like the real legs. Fold these pedals, fold it around. Take the wheels and fold it down, like that. Take these two and open the feet. Also on this side. Like that. This always like to pop up on the side. Fold it around. You could fold the kneecap down and fold these up. Whatever you like to make. It's also very nice. So here we have Starscream in robot mode. Kind of nice shoulder cap. Red. Very bright. Actually this toy is very bright color. Only for the bluest star to be. Very cool. Very cool black and blue stripes. And you cannot see the stripes. 3 stripes here on the backpack. And you can see it's a very big, huge things. very funny, but actually, if actually you pull this down over a little bit more, but this toy can fall down. So this is not just like the Revenge of the Fallen long haul. Not just the backpack and these just soft. It will all connect together. But the transforming is just like long haul. So bye bye.